Alaikum. This is Toyota Yaris 2010 model. There's problem for the AC, so we are going to fix the AC for this car. This is new compressor. Here are the old fittings. New condenser, and I'll show you the new vibrator for this one. So to open the vibrator, we have to open all the things from inside. Like we have to remove the whole dashboard. See, here is the dashboard for the car. As you guys can see, we are done with the condenser and fixing of the new compressor down there inside. Maybe it's not more visible from here. And we are done with the fixing of vibrator inside. It's here right inside this area. All the fittings are done for the car. Done with the AC is working so perfect. It's so cold because all the things are new. Still working on number 2 and it's real cold.